Hello, this is Amy. Today I will in Shanghai Cycle Show. I will introduce our electric folding series. So the first one I will introduce our special folding bike. You can see this one is very special one. This one is with integrated wheel. You can see the front wheel and the rear wheel. It's integrated wheel. It's not similar like spoke wheel. This design advantage is less maintenance for the users. So you don't need to worry about the spoke broken. So it is very easy. And you can see our bike have patent already. It is have 3 foldable. So the stem have foldable and the frame, and here total is 3 point can foldable. So when it foldable, it's similar like a square. It is not like another brand called Brunton. When it runs foldable, it is longer. It's not beautiful, but our design is very beautiful and small and intelligent. And you can see the handlebar. The handlebar is very simple and with a display, the belt, and a throttle. But if you are in European market, we can remove it. But if you are in US market or other markets, there's no requirement for throttle. We can add it. So it is based on your need. Yeah, and you can see the cable, we strap it together. It is very clean. And you can see the front light. It is integrated with the frame. So you don't need to worry the light when the bike falling down. You will worry about the front light broken. So this design is very smart. And you can see we integrate with the front reflector. It is suitable for the European market. So if you don't need, we can remove it only with front light. And you can see the brake. It is V-brake. That is enough for the folding bike. So it is no need with this. And you can see the wheel is in target wheel. You can adjust the height. You can see you can adjust the height very smoothly. Okay. This pedal is also foldable. Yeah, you can fold it very easy, like this one. So when you use it, so now it's okay. Here is a small wheel. So when the bike foldable, you can push it easily. And here is a lock. So later I will show you how to fold this bike, how to operate. And you can see the motor is here. It's very small and integrated with the wheels. This motor is 350 watts. You can see here it's very beautiful. It's Txed welding. And the battery is inside a frame. So when we're folding it, you can see the battery. It is removable. And here in this side is charging port and switch on and off. And it has a USB port. You can charge your phone or add something. Here is the charging port. Now we will tell you how to fold it. First, you need to open this lock, okay, and then open this handlebar. Okay. So now you can see the battery inside. Here is battery, and this battery with a key. So you can, when you want to take it out, you can use the key to take it. The stem lock. Okay. So you can see it is very small, similar like a square. And when you take subway or tree, you can push it. So in the future, if you need, we can provide you a bag. You can carry it, or we can provide you a string. You can test it, fasten it. It will easy to push. this bike. So behind me, this is a new design for the Japan market. You can see this model is no pedal. It is no pad. It will operate only with throttle here. And this one is with the left and right turning light. You can see the front, the left and right turning light. This is a new design. It is based on the Japan market standards. The battery, the other design is similar like the first model. And also you can see our head in the folding bike. This one is with double suspension, the front and the frame with suspension. And it is with the 5 tire. So you will know lots of market will like 5 tire for folding bike. So this one can meet your needs. And the battery is hidden in the frame. You can see here is the foldable handlebar. And this one is with the very strong carrier. It's very strong. And the rear light and front light is controlled by the main power. So in this show, we will only take the 3 type folding bike. If you are interested in, welcome to our factory because we have more than 30 years experience in electric bike and regular bike. If you visit our factory, we can show you other type models for you. See you in our factory, or if you are interested in us, you can leave a message here.